All right, I'm taking this load and it pays 20,000 on the line haul. I'm getting paid over 5 to 6,000 on the packing. It looks like I could be making $26,000 on this one load. So stay tuned on the journey. Appreciate you guys.
Puppy. And of course, Jenna's putting on her makeup to start her day. But, you know, I don't want to show too much because, you know, she's, you know, has minimal clothes on. I know you guys rather look at me, so we'll leave it at that.
Oh, I thought you were pointing it at me.
No, I'm not.
Just shower.
Yeah. Yeah. Took a bang.
Bang, bang, bang.
All right, bye, honey. Love you, bye. All right.
Give me a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
Give me some tongue.
Ew. Quick shout out to my boy Elvis. He bought me some like 3 Nike shirts, yo. So that was hella cool. You know, when the homie buys you like a really cool shirt and things like that. So I really appreciate you. My birthday's on Saturday, so I thank you so much, Elvis, for that, man. You didn't have to do that. But went back on the road, and I move furniture for a living. Yes, this is the life of an Asian truck driver. I am a truck driver, been trucking for 10 years. I'm a general contractor for North American Van Lines. So what we do is we grab people's shit, and we move it over there. All right, so I know it looks like I'm taking a shit, but whatever. Okay, so here's the thing. I haven't been trucking for 9 months. I turned off my insurance. I have an International Pro Star, so I don't mind turning off my insurance. If you have a nice truck and trailer, do not turn off your insurance. I mean, that could be a bad thing. I know it's an extra cost, but it's just one of those things where I'm not too tripping about my truck, so that's why I turned it off. So I have to turn it back on. I'm with NAIT, Nate Insurance, and basically they have a great program for people that move furniture, household goods. So I have to fill that back out, get my insurance back on before I can do anything else. All right, the doorbell rang out there, so let's see what we got here. I hate having 2 doors, man. It sucks. Let's see what we got. Ah, nice. Got a package in. What is this? Wow. Another one from my boy Elvis? Shoot, man. I'm not your girlfriend, Elvis. You can't buy me so many things on my birthday. Jenna's gonna start getting jealous. But thank you so much. I'm gonna jump to my trailer, but before I do that, I just got someone that wanted to support the show. My man here. Who do we got here? Johan Fisher, man. Johan Fisher. Thank you so much for supporting the show, grabbing a Mother Trucker hat. You know, I should have my Mother Trucker hat on as well, but this is a brand new cap right here, just for you. If you guys don't see, we make the world go around trucking, original AMS, I made Asian My Show snapback. So, you know, I appreciate you. I'm gonna pack this up for you, and thank you so much, Johan. I wish you the best. All right, Buppy and I are ready to go. He's ready. Yeah, we gotta go take Johan Fisher's Mother Trucker hat to the post office, and then after that I gotta go to my trailer. Man, I am hoping I cleaned it up, but knowing me, I'm sure I didn't do shit and it's just been sitting there. So don't do that, people. Right, Buppy? Don't do that. Did you just fall? I mean, look how free this guy is right here. Can you not see him in that mirror, dude? He loves life. I wish my life was as great as his. I wish, Buppy. I wish. Dude, I forgot. Besides my insurance, dude, I gotta get a DOT inspection. So you have to get an inspection on your tractor and trailer before you can go on the road. So shit, I'm gonna hit up my guy at Cummins and hopefully they can hook me up. Maybe not today, hopefully tomorrow. What's tomorrow? What, Thursday? Oh, good. Oh man, I hope they can, man. Shit. Yeah, man, my guys out here at Cummins Leasons, man, they plugged me. They got me going on. I didn't think I was gonna be able to get in, but you know, I couldn't get my truck because I don't have my insurance on quite yet, but they're gonna go there. They're gonna do a mobile DOT job on me tomorrow. Hopefully I pass. But I'm telling you, man, if you don't know the right people, you'll get screwed on inspection because you gotta have the inspection fixed before you could get on the road, and that could get pricey, people.
can't get to my doors because the trailers are too close. I'm gonna have to open it up from the back. I'm praying that my truck is in decent shape. All right, moment of truth, people. Let's see what's going on. Wait a minute. I just turned on my truck. Damn it, my key's on there. Shit. All right, let's try this again. The moment of truth. Let me see real quick. Uh-oh, it's not opening. There it is. Let's see what it do. I know myself, I probably did not clean. Nope, did not clean up. Let me look inside. I'm too fat. Yeah. Shit. I have a lot of cleaning to do, people. What did I do? Tip of the day. Even if you're done with your load and you don't have another load for 9 freaking months, clean up. Because if you don't, you're gonna have to go back to work and have all this shit to clean up. Like straight up. Like for real. Damn.